man lai zo fa te chuan tharau sual le ram huai tlon lung oi nan ran in thoina an nei train. In those days there was a very special man named Darphawka. Chung hun lai chuan midang lam tak mi special tak Darphawka ti hi a oma. One day Mr. Darphawka fell sick and three beings appeared in vision. Chung khatchu Darphawka adam lava amu mga mi pathum ron in larna amua. One of them was a man before the creation of the world. Chung zinga pakhatchu next slide. Mishing khovel piantirata omto ani. In his dreams they said, white people will come from beyond the sea, so give importance to what they have to say. Tui finri adrala changin mingau an lau kalanga an thu lau ngai sang ang cheu ti in an shrila. They also said, you will no longer need to make sacrifices and you will defeat the evil spirits. In thoi angai to lavanga ram huai te po in langamang ti in an shril boka. Exit. Darphawka got up from his bed and went on to tell many people about his dreams and vision. Darphawka chuan in larna chu athaya piang hena ashil thina. One day, just like his vision, the white missionaries arrived. One day, just like his vision, the white missionaries arrived and they preached the gospel among the Mizo people. Darphawka in larna ang ngay chuan Mingo missionary te chuan Mizo te hena chanchin cha anon shilta ani. The Mizo people believed the gospel and stopped doing all animal sacrifices. Mizo te chuan chanchin cha chu lo pomin ran in tho na chu antitop ta veka. The Mizos continued to believe in God and God continued to bless them. Mizo te chuan pathian chu an rin chun zom zela pathian po in amal som chun zom zel ani. Next slide. Pathian in azol nei Darphawka hena athiltum ahil chu missionary te mangin aron ti hlo tling ta ani kan lo me tuna MMY le zaipol te class aturin ilaw somang
Hello. Chanchin cha awangin kaushan zai polte kan loma o pathian nangman chanchin cha min pe.
Lord.
Lalpan mal sormo ase kan lo me.